Hey guys, welcome back to Orms. Today we are bringing you a quick look at the all-new GoPro Fusion 360. So for those of you who don't know, this is Tando. He's from Orms Pro Broadcast, and he's going to help me run through this this little camera real quick.
Cool.
So basically your main specs here, obviously it's a 360 degree camera. So 360 stills at 18 megapixel, 360 video in 5.2K at 30 frames a second, 3K at 60 frames per second, and waterproof down to 5 meters. T, you've got it out there.
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think about the feel?
I like the feel. It's nice and robust, and then also there's quite of a meat in there.
Yeah, you think it's got a bit of weight to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's have a look what else we've got in this box here.
So besides this, I'm just gonna check on what I've got on the box.
Fair enough.
So there you go. Obviously, the manual.
Nobody's gonna read that ever. Might as well get rid of that. Okay, what else?
Okay, so the flat adhesive mount.
Okay.
And then I've got
what is that? Curved adhesive mount?
Curved adhesive mount. This I will use to mount on a helmet. So if you like riding on a bike or something, this is what I will use.
Okay.
There you go. And then of course I've got the USB-C cable that's used for quick download, and then also for quick charging of your GoPro Fusion.
Yeah, so USB-C is a little bit faster than standard USB, obviously. So, you know, getting higher transfer rates and more power push through than what you'd normally get, which is quite handy. It's good to see GoPro including that these days. Yeah.
And of course, your protective case for your GoPro Fusion. So you're just gonna try it out and see how it fits inside.
Okay. It's quite nice for GoPro to include all of these things as standard. You know, I think this is the first one that comes with its own little pouch and all of that. I think that's quite a nice little add-on.
What's nice about this as well, they've left the gate there. So if you've got a handle or something, you can just like mount it there.
A handle like this?
A handle like that.
Nice. Okay.
So let's try it out.
So again, this is included as standard, and it's a little tripod. So you have a little tripod functionality, and the unit itself also extends. Yeah, there we go. So in its extended form, it's a nice selfie stick, because every 360 needs a selfie stick. So yeah, want to put it on there?
Yeah, sure.
See how it fits?
So all I need now will be...
There we go.
Yeah.
So it's important to note that this is the standard GoPro mount, sort of what has now become the standard action camera mount.
Yeah.
So it'll work with all of your existing GoPro accessories and pretty much every accessory that's currently on the market for GoPro.
So mount it on the stick.
Yeah.
And you've got the GoPro Fusion 360.
Excellent. That's beautiful. So yeah. So Tando, who do you think would be interested in something like this? Like, what's your target audience?
I'd say the target audience on these will be your bikers.
Okay.
The guys who does the surfing. Okay. But I mean, it's not limited to anyone who wants to use it.
Fair enough.
So anyone wants to use it, they can just go for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And all the footage that we've seen thus far coming out of the Fusion has been quite phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, definitely the best 360 product out there at the moment. In terms of the footage that you get, the functionality, and of course your editing potential that you get with the GoPro app and all of that. So yeah, guys, well, that's about it. A quick little first look at the GoPro Fusion. It is available right now in Orms. Pop in store, speak to Tando or any of our other sales guys, or check out the link below and you'd be able to pick up your very own Fusion right now. Thank you very much.